Hello, I am Dr. Suresha and welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, we shall try to understand what coaching leadership is all about. This is yet another leadership style. As you know, I have done a series of videos on leadership styles. Okay, so in this particular leadership style, which is coaching leadership style, this is a bit different where see, this famous quote by Sheryl Sandberg will make you understand everything about this coaching leadership style. He says, leadership is about making others better as a result of your presence and making sure that impact lasts in your absence too. Such beautiful perception, such beautiful mindset of true leaders. True leaders or true leadership is something where it is to establish such an impact, to create such an impact among the employees that impact will last even in the absence of the leader. Okay, to create such a situation where there is no need of a leader is the true essence of leadership. That is maybe how we can understand this beautiful quote. Okay, leadership is not something which is like spoon feeding the employees. That is not true leadership. You have to coach them, you have to mentor them, you have to teach the employees to do their best, and you have to teach them or you have to coach them to do the best or to give their best even in your absence, even when the leader is not present. Still the employees can carry forward that zeal and enthusiasm and that high standards of performance. That is the true essence of leadership. Okay, and this coaching style of leaders, or the leaders who believe in this coaching style, they believe in mentoring and coaching their employees or their followers to give their best of performance. Okay, so they believe in coaching towards greatness. They believe in mentoring the employees so that they can bring out the best from them. Okay, and these leaders are experts and great communicators. These leaders who believe in coaching style of leadership, they themselves are experts at something, at whatever they do. They are the experts. And they are also great communicators, because mentoring and coaching the employees is not an easy task, and it is not possible without great communication, because it is always communication, always coaching that makes the followers do their best. Okay, so leaders have to be, first point, experts in whatever they do, and also they have to communicate, they have to transform, or they have to pass on that expertise to the followers, which requires some really great communication on the part of the leaders. Okay, so those are the qualities which coaching leaders or leaders who believe in coaching style of leadership will have. Okay, and this particular leadership, this is more prevalent in sports teams. Okay, where the relationship between the coach and the students, or the students, that is more of this kind of relationship. Okay, where the coach himself is an expert in that particular sport or game, and he tries to make the followers learn that game and perform that game in the more in a much better fashion. Okay, so that is the reason why this coaching style of leadership is more prevalent in sports teams. Okay, and there will be empathy and trust. Empathy and trust are the pillars of this particular leadership style, because the leader himself has to trust the employees or the followers, that they can learn from him. Okay, they have to empathize with the followers. Only then they can really transform that, they can give away that knowledge to the followers. Okay, so of course this is definitely time consuming, energy consuming from the leader's point of view. They have to continuously coach the followers, which is very time consuming and energy consuming from the leader's perspective. Okay, also this is applicable with to the employees with learning mindset, because not everybody every time will be willing to receive that coaching. Okay, there will be some employees who like independence. They don't want to be continuously coached. Okay, so from such point of, from that perspective or from that mindset of employees, this style may not work well. But when the employees are willing to receive or willing to learn from the expert or from this leader, when they have such a mindset that allows them to learn from the coaching style, then this leadership style will work the best. Okay, so this is coaching style of leadership. Thank you.